drama still continuing, so we continue. Yeah. What up to them haters? What up to them later? Cause right now it's about that paper. Right now it's about that Skrilla. And we still no killers. Yeah, we still some chillers. Drinking pills, drinking illa. Drinking that shit that make us feel ill. I remember my B-day. I was fucked up that day. And I was gonna throw up, but I hold it in until I got home, and what the fuck? I was zoning, yeah. Little Jenny was boning. Arena was sleeping, Jorge was creeping, yeah, he was beating. I'm talking about that drama. That shit that you only see with your baby mama when she be tripping. But everything is cool when you sipping. And everything is so cool when you laying back and when you fucking tricking. I'm tricking them hoes and we tricking them hoes. So we sipping some more and we sipping some O. Corona, back in my zone, I'm back in the zona. Hotter than Arizona. Pizza hit 7-Eleven and get Arizona. So get a Pepsi, oh get a Coke. Yeah, shit ain't no joke. And I remember when my aunt, she did that Coke. He said he did it with some Mexican. But we just texting, damn. Hoes and telling him to come over and start fucking flexing, man. Yeah, I remember when Katya, she went crazy, yeah. In fact, we wanna have her baby, but he couldn't, and he got fried. Yeah, that nigga wanna cry, but he never came to his defense. Yeah, he got offended. He was like, fuck it, I demand it. Never mind, cause you'll never get up in it. Never get up on it, never will bend it. Got a boner when she got up on her. When he got up on it, never mind he wrong it. Nigga be running for problems like he's Sonic, but won't they just be tripping cause he don't want no child support. But it's y'all, man, you gotta support. Cause he got 2 kids and he can't even afford to keep his PlayStation 3. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, nigga. Get that shit away for free. Or at least for 200. And your girl was bugging, but you still full loving, yeah, and you still wanna hug him, man. And let me talk about my cousin, cause she broke her arm. Yeah, you know, she was trying to get that dude that had that charm, but now she be eating Lucky Charms. Yeah, I'm talking about the side eat, and she growing up and we still fucking throwing fucking parties every night in the weekend. And you know that the weekends, us feeling our bus. Yeah, we feeling all buzzing, kicking it with my cousins, yeah, kicking up in the end, eating up some wings, yeah, we doing our thing, and we just wanted to drink, so everybody put a fight, cause you know we just gonna get a pot, yeah, and the drama don't stop there, and the drama don't cut air, and the drama just don't care, yeah, and the drama just be like, that drama don't be fair, cause you know it goes up and down like a fucking fair. Yeah, I'm talking about a coaster, never mind, we just put the drink up in the coaster. We don't give a fuck, cause we had the fucking drinks up in the toaster, up in the fridge, up in the freezer. Had them drinks, man, yeah, I'm a thinker, yeah, I'm a drinker. Boy, she a stinker, so you better leave that ass, cause we just about to smash. And we gonna get more drinks, just part 1, and I'm gonna go again. You know what I'm talking about, man? Cause that drama don't stop, it don't stop, I don't stop, I don't stop, point period. And you know this shit's a bitch like a period.